What's up, everybody? If you happen to own a 2005 to 2011 model Toyota Tacoma, well, this video is most definitely for you guys. In particular, this right here is a daily driver, which is a 2010 Tacoma. You may notice there's a few differences, which I'm going to explain, since we did a headlight replacement on it. And these are aftermarket lights you can basically get on eBay or Amazon or any online store. And I'm going to tell you why we replaced them is because if you own, like I said, if you own a 2005 model or to 2011 model Tacoma, we'll pull out this headlight for example and show you why we went ahead and replaced it. As you see, if you look right here where the daytime running light part is on the housing, you see it kind of melted off, even though this light's already faded when we tried to restore it, but it ain't really worth restoring because of the melted part of the housing, and plus the heat from the headlight actually cracked the housing so much, I'm a tongue twisted there, but you get the whole entire picture, because this whole plastic assembly got so hot it cracked the entire headlight. But if you have a truck that's with under 70,000 miles, you could basically get a free replacement possibly from the Toyota dealership, which this truck's probably got more than 70,000 miles because it is a daily driver that gets driven around here. So you're better off, just best bet is just to go ahead and buy new ones. But this is the other one for the driver's side. Driver's side got a little small crack in it, but overall it's melted on this part, a portion of the daytime running light housing. So your best bet is just to buy the new ones that look better, and plus make the truck look a lot nicer, because as you see in the aftermarket replacement, look like they kind of fixed that problem with the headlight housing in the aftermarket. But I know in 2012 they revised the headlight in the front end of these trucks to avoid that known problem that a lot of these old Tacomas have from the daytime running light housing in that assembly melting away. So yeah, I hope this little short video helps you guys out, and thanks for watching.